Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Rainbow Wallet, the user-friendly crypto wallet designed to make managing your digital assets seamless and secure. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into its standout features, interface, and practical applications, helping you understand why Rainbow Wallet is a top choice for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Rainbow Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, which means you retain full control of your private keys. The app is specifically tailored for Ethereum and Ethereum-based assets, offering support for tokens, NFTs, and DATs. Its sleek design makes it easy to navigate, even for beginners. The homepage provides a clean, concise view of your portfolio, including real-time prices and a breakdown of your assets. One of the key highlights is Rainbow Wallet's NFT management. The app allows you to view and showcase your NFTs directly within the wallet. With a few taps, you can access detailed information about your tokens or even share your collection with friends. Additionally, the wallet integrates seamlessly with DATs, making it a go-to choice for DeFi enthusiasts. For security, Rainbow Wallet employs robust encryption to safeguard your private keys. There's also an option to back up your wallet to iCloud, ensuring you won't lose access if you switch devices. Moreover, the app simplifies the process of swapping tokens with its integrated exchange feature, providing competitive rates. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Rainbow Wallet also excels in customization. You can personalize your dashboard, enabling you to prioritize what matters most to you. The wallet supports multiple networks, allowing users to explore and interact with various blockchains. Furthermore, its integration with Wallet Connect ensures that you can link your wallet to countless apps and services effortlessly. The app is available on both iOS and Android, ensuring accessibility for users across platforms. Its frequent updates demonstrate a commitment to staying ahead in the fast-evolving crypto space. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newcomer to the world of cryptocurrency, Rainbow Wallet offers a feature-rich experience tailored to your needs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like to support the channel.